This is how to use usalearns.org. Go here and put usalearns.org in your phone. On this screen, click Sign In. Here, you're going to put in your student email address. S plus your lunch number at online.houstonisd.org. Your contraseña, your password, is your birth date. 2 for month, 2 for day, 4 for year. 2 para mes, 2 para día, 4 para año. Sign in. Inside, scroll down to the class that says Patterson ESL, and begin. Start with Unit 1. Unit 1 is complete when the cuadrado is azul. You need to complete number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are all the activities in each part. When it's complete, you have a score, a cualificación right here. I will check USA Learns for your score.